BHIMRAO RAMJI AMBEDKAR, April 14, 1891, December 6, 1956, was an Indian jurist, economist, social reformer, and political figure. He served as the chairman of the committee that drafted the Constitution of India from the debates in the Constituent Assembly, was the Minister of Law and Justice in Jawaharlal Nehru's first cabinet, and after renunciating Hinduism, he served as an inspiration for the Dalit Buddhist movement. Ambedkar was one of the few Indian students to have earned a doctorate at either institution in the 1920s after graduating from Elphinstone College, University of Bombay, and studying economics at Columbia University and the London School of Economics. He received his degrees in 1927 and 1923, respectively. At London's Gray's Inn, he received legal training as well. He practiced law, taught economics, and was an economist in his early years. His subsequent years were notable. His political activism in his final years, which included publishing journals, promoting Dalit political and social freedom, and making a vital contribution to the creation of the State of India, left a lasting imprint on his life. He started converting Dalits in large numbers to Buddhism in 1956. Ambedkar received the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honour in India, posthumously in 1990. Followers honour him by using the phrase Jai Bhim, which translates to Hail Bhim. Additionally, he is referred to as Babasaheb. Here are some motivational quotes of BHIMRAO RAMJI AMBEDKAR. They cannot make history who forget history. Be educated, be organized and be agitated. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Life should be great rather than long. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. We must stand on our own feet and fight as best as we can for our rights. So carry on your agitation and organize your forces. Power and prestige will come to you through struggle. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. The history of India is nothing but a history of a mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. Men are mortal. So are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise both will wither and die. Every man who repeats the dogma of Mill that one country is no fit to rule another country must admit that one class is not fit to rule another class. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Political tyranny is nothing compared to the social tyranny, and a reformer who defies society is a more courageous man than a politician who defies government. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Friends, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.